Make a party nacho platter. What does a party nacho platter consist of? Some like it with beef, while some like it with chili. Some also like it with a bit of soup, while some like it with a lot of cheese. Whatever your preference is, given below are the steps on how to make a basic party nacho platter, and some suggestions on altering the recipe to satisfy your taste. Prepare the ingredients. You need a bag of tortilla chips, cheese, chili, sliced black olives, salsa, and sour cream to make a party nacho platter. Make sure to choose tortilla chips in mild varieties like plain or salted. Chips with overpowering flavors may affect the overall taste of the party nacho platter. You may also choose to put 2 different cheeses, instead of 1, in this recipe. One will be melted, while the other will be grated over the chips. Make the party nacho platter. Place a tin foil on a cookie sheet, and put 1 layer of chips on the tin foil. Next, heat the chili on a pan, and wait for it to cook. Add grated cheese on the chili. When the cheese has melted, pour the mixture on the layer of chips, and then sprinkle grated cheese on top. Bake the chips for 5 minutes in a 375° F preheated oven. Add garnish. Holding the corners of the foil, carefully lay the chips in a platter. Do not remove the foil, or else you'll spoil the appearance of the party nacho platter. Next, put some salsa and sour cream on top of the chips as dips, then sprinkle sliced black olives over the salsa and sour cream. Do you want to put a different twist in your party nacho platter? Here are some ways to tweak the recipe. Add spice to your party nacho platter with jalapeno peppers. Before baking the chips in the oven, slice some jalapeno peppers, and place it on the chips. The oven's heat will induce the jalapeno peppers to release their juices to the chips. Make a chunky party nacho platter with beef toppings. Brown 1/2 pound ground beef in a pan using medium heat. Next, add sliced onions in the pan, and sauté. When the onions had become transparent, add chili powder and sugar to the pan. After you're done cooking the beef, sprinkle it over the baked chips. Have a soupy party nacho platter with condensed cheddar cheese soup. Mix 10 ounces condensed cheddar cheese soup and 1/2 cup salsa in a bowl. Next, cook the ground beef by following the recipe in making a chunky party nacho platter with beef toppings. But, instead of adding chili powder and sugar to the ground beef, Stir in 1/2 cup of the soup mixture. Cook the mixture for about 3 minutes, and pour it on the baked chips. Then, heat the remaining soup mixture, and add it on top of the party nacho platter. You can put other garnishes to your party nacho platter. Red and green bell peppers and tomatoes work well in adding taste and color to the snack. Also, when topping the party nacho platter with ground beef, make sure not to overcook the meat. The heat will dry up all of its juices, making the meat tasteless. To avoid this, add garnishes and flavorings to the ground beef as soon as it starts to turn brown.